Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to keep yourself awake all night for study. To begin, ensure you start your study session feeling as rested as possible. A well-lit, organized study space is crucial for maintaining focus and minimizing the urge to sleep. Remember to plan your study blocks, aiming for 45 to 60 minutes of focused work followed by a short break. This structured approach helps sustain your energy and concentration throughout the night. During your study breaks, it's vital to move your body. Stand up, stretch, or take a quick walk for 5 to 10 minutes. This light physical activity significantly increases blood flow and oxygen to your brain, helping you stay alert and focused. Crucially, resist the temptation to lie down, even for a moment, as this can quickly lead to feeling drowsy and losing momentum. Keep those breaks active. What you consume plays a huge role in staying awake. Opt for small, healthy snacks such as fruits, vegetables, or nuts to provide sustained energy without the crash. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water consistently. Avoid sugary drinks and large, heavy meals, as these can lead to a sudden drop in energy levels, making it much harder to concentrate and stay awake for your study session. Maintaining a conducive environment is essential. A slightly cooler room temperature, around 68 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, can help keep you more alert. Some find that instrumental music or white noise can improve focus without distraction. If you feel an overwhelming urge to sleep, a 20 to 30-minute power nap can be incredibly effective, but set an alarm to avoid oversleeping and losing valuable study time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.